value.
Honestly, because before we started this podcast, I'm like, basically all is lost in this younger generation. Do they get it? And are we going to be able to help them? And is there going to be any kind of guidance? And you've helped shed some light on the situation. So
there's lots of opportunity. Yeah.
So what is your advice for future technicians and apprentices?
For the future apprentices and technicians, specifically when I think about the high school age, what I tell them all the time is we're a skilled trade. You have to go and try it, and there is value to trying something and knowing that that's not for you too. Like, we're not saying we want everybody to be technicians. We're saying we want those of you who are skilled, talented for this job to come in, right? And for a lot of these students, like I give them the example of, during COVID when all the hair salons were closed, and I have two boys. And so, of course, their hair was getting super long. And I went to my sons and I said, oh, yeah, I watched a YouTube video. And again, guys, I like YouTube. I'm just saying. But, hey, I watched a couple of YouTube videos. Let me cut your hair.
Let's get out the bowl.
Yeah. And you know what? My sons were like, nope, not a chance. Right. And that's what I say to the students is like, when you see somebody do mechanical work, you got to be in there. You got to try. That's how you're going to know if you like it or not. So for the younger generation, I always tell them, you got to come in and try. What I used to do at my shop is when we had high school co-op students who were not in AST, so they would be like helping us do marketing or video content creation or something else. We would spend a day with them in our shop, getting them to do the spare tire changes, getting them to identify the fluids under the hood. Even though they didn't come in for the co-op experience in the shop side, we're still bringing them in and teaching them and showing them. And you know what? That might be a life skill for them once they start driving on their own.
Yeah.
This idea that the skill trades, you got to get in there, you got to try it.